Alright, today I'm going to be unboxing this QR code sign that I had made on Etsy. It is for my social media, for my Jeep. So basically I get a bunch of questions at events, and so do other Jurassic Park Jeepers. So I decided it'd be best to just have my Instagram up, YouTube, and then, oh, this is email, not Twitter, but yeah, this is email. And everything, so it looks pretty good. And I'm going to prop this up at events on my Jeep. So here we go. Looks pretty nifty. It's just some little plexiglass. And the president of Jurassic Park Motor Pool Capital Division, Turtle, she also had one made for the Capital Division. This is just for my personal Jeep. And of course with QR codes, if you just hover your phone's camera over the QR code, it'll pop up with your Instagram. And I also plan on getting business cards made.